Hello guys, welcome back to another video with Boy Trader, and in today's video we're having a market analysis on VCent51S. So as you all can see, whenever you're analyzing the market or whenever you want to analyze the market, we start from the higher time frame, either the daily time frame or the weekly time frame, but preferably the weekly time frame. Reasons are so we can get the clearer picture of the market, we can see the clearer market direction. So as you all can see, VCent51S has been on a long-term downtrend for weeks and months now, basically years, because this highest high was in 2020. You can see how long this index has been trending downwards. So everything has been bearish, like everything has been strongly bearish for a very long time now. So at this point, so these actually our past moves, so you don't have anything to do with all these moves at this point. So you actually focus on this current move at this point now. So we are focusing on this move, not those past moves. So we're using the past move as a picture or as a view, or basically a guide to analyze the present market's situation. So as you all can see, on the weekly time frame, we have seen VCent51S give us this strong bullish impulsive move. You can see how bullish these moves were. You can see we had strong bullish move, like for weeks, consistent bullish moves, week or back to back for weeks. You can see we had multiple candles. Then we now had price give us a drop down again, another a sell-off, give us a sell-off again from this point. So our question is, why did the market sell off from this point? You can see that at this point we have a level at which we should take note of. This is actually a key level. So the market got to this point and gave us a sell-off. You can see our price reacted to this point, did the same thing here, the same thing, and basically price came back here again and gave us a drop down. So what are we to expect next on VCent51S? What's our market situation? So we have to identify our key levels, which we did at this point, then our support key levels and our resistance key levels. So this is our level. This is actually where market is trading at. So this is our point of focus now. So on how the market gave us this bearish drop, on how the market gave us this bearish drop. So it came to this low, like a kind of, and giving us an equal low, but it's not really a perfect equal low. But the market came to this last low and is trying to consolidate. The market has been moving here for months now. Let's say since February, the market has been in this range consolidating without any definite direction of the market, like without any move to the downside, to the upside. Market have just been in this range. So this is our point of focus now. What are we to expect at this point in the market? So how the market created equal lows, so definitely technically we'll be expecting the market to give us a push back to the upside to fill up this gap the market created at this zone. So let's move on to the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, you can see clearly that, let's delete this. So on the daily time frame, you can see clearly that the market is trying to give us a good formation, a kind of a inverse head and shoulders pattern. You can see a nice reversal pattern. Like you can clearly see that the consolidation totally that we saw on the weekly time frame is kind of a formation, a reversal pattern formation, which is a good information that we need. So you can see the left shoulder at this point, the left shoulder at this point, the head at this point, and the right shoulder at this point. This is an inverted head and shoulders pattern. So we need this formation is actually giving us a good information that yes, the market has gotten to an equal lows, like an equal level on the weekly time frame, and it started to consolidate, giving all this particular formation. And again we have this kind of trend, a downward channel the market created. You know, the market created this kind of downward channel, which the market has broke out of it. Like you can see the market is breaking out of it at this point. Like the market gave us the breakout here. This is a kind of a retest of this channel, giving us a formation of the right shoulder. Then we can see the market breaking to the upside. So are we to get more buys to the upside? That's basically what we're looking at now. If you are to get more buys, or how you can get into the trade, because you can't technically take a buy at this point because of the volatile nature of these particular markets, and we are not actually swinging. We are not holding the trade for weeks or days. Highest probably 2 or 3 days, but we are not holding the trade for a very long time that we'll be having our entry here. Because for us to get an entry, we'll be having a big stop loss to at this point, I don't think we can be able to sustain that kind of drawdown, like whenever the market is going against us. So we have to still move to the lower time frame so we can get a good market entry. So we have to still analyze deeper. So as you have spotted our channel, this particular channel the market created, we spotted our market formation and a daily time frame inverted head and shoulders pattern, which is a nice reversal bullish pattern. So next is to spot our daily time frame key level, which we have to do now. So this is our daily time frame key level. You can see the market is actually trading under this key level. You can see why this level is a key level, because you can see market is reacting to these points, bouncing off from this zone, coming back here to bounce off again, then finally breaking down below it, like breaking below this particular zone. Then it now turns to resistance. Now the market came back to it to test it again, give us a drop. The same thing happened here, a drop. So I would expect the market to approach this point again. So that's what we have to look at now. So let's move down to the forward time frame. So as you all can see on the forward time frame, we have, or you can see the market give us this this bullish move at this point. You can see the market give us this bullish move at this point. You can see the market creating this forward time frame lower highs and lower lows, higher highs and higher lows. Sorry, you can see how bullish this move have been. Like, so what I would expect now, and if we zoom out now, you can clearly see that this forward time frame is actually giving us a kind of a head and shoulders pattern formation again. You can see the left shoulder here, the head at this point, and the right shoulder. It's not really a perfect formation, but we can see clearly that yes, this is a kind of a good formation that we need a confluence to get into this trade for a buy opportunity, because everything is looking bullish at this point. So you have to spot our forward time frame what key level at this point. So this is our forward time frame key level, because you can clearly see that when the market got to this level, it's reacted to it. And when we zoom out as well, you can see price is reacting to this particular level. This level have actually been an important level. The same thing happened here, the same thing happened here, the same thing happened here at this point. The same thing is actually happening at this point. So the last approach of this market at these zones, what happened? You can see how the market came to these points, dropped, but it didn't give us a strong drop, like a drop that to tell us that yes, the bearish pressure is still intact in this market. But here the drop was like the market just dropped a little, then a bullish move followed up, which is tell us that yes, this is actually a kind of a retest, like giving us a touch of this trend to confirm this bullish move. Understand? So to tell us that the bullish pressure is still intact in the market at this point. So what I would expect now, you can see this is actually a kind of a head and shoulders pattern. When we zoom out, the left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder. So when we head to the 1 hour time frame, because you have to go lower again to see what is actually happening on the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, you can see that the market gave us a consolidation at this point, and this level acted as a kind of a level of support in the market. This level acted as a level of support sorry, in the market. So acted as a level of support because you can see how many times the market reacted to this point, reacted here, the same thing here. Then finally the market broke down this zone, then came to retest it, gave us a drop, but not a strong drop, telling us that yes, the bullish pressures are still intact in the market. So after this drop, the market is actually trading above this level. So what I would expect at this zone now, this particular point. So on how the market is approaching this resistance level, we might see the market give us a drop back down to this level to give us a retest of this breakout, to confirm this particular breakout. Remember, our general market direction is what? Uptrend. So we have to expect the market to give us a retest of this level, like a breakout of this zone, then a retest of this particular level. You understand? To give us a confirmation for a good buy opportunity. So this is actually on our watch list. This particular index is on our watch list for a good buy. So in the case the market didn't give us a good retest of this level, so we will be looking out next for a retest, a good buy opportunity on the breakout of this zone. At this point, we're looking out for a good retest at this point, a breakout of this particular zone, then a retest. If I can get a breakout, a retest on the lower time frame, like the 15 minutes or the 30 minutes time frame. Yeah, if you can get a good break and retest of this zone on the 15-minute time frame, like if I get a breakout of this level, then a retest of this structure to confirm this breakout, this neckline breakout, then you'll be getting a good buy opportunity maybe look out for the 5 minute time frame for a good pattern, for a confirmation for a good buy. So we are actually looking out for this index to give us a retest at this point for a perfect buy opportunity. Then we're having our buys, we're taking our buys at this zone. You know, we're longing this index from this point, from this particular point. We're taking our buys, you know, then catching the long move to the upside. Or in the case the market didn't give us a retest of this level, then we're looking at next for a breakout of this zone at this point, a breakout here, then a retest of this particular index, you know, then a retest here for us to go or to go long on volatility 751s. Yeah, so that's our take on this index basically. So that's it, guys. Hope you guys got a couple of things, my explanations and all of that. So drop your comments, drop your thoughts on this analysis, and shout out to my returning viewers. You guys are the OGs, and to my new subscribers, you guys should do well to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you can get notified whenever I drop a new video. So that's it, guys. Do have a wonderful day, guys, and peace out.